Look at this, guys. He is ready. Look at him. He is ready for that video. Video coming soon. Look at that. Yes. Mr. Kenny Good Vibes, you ready for your video, sir?
Ready as can be.
All right.
Yeah, look out for this one coming soon.
Coming soon. Coming soon.
In production.
Look at this, guys. All the ingredients he got set out for the lovely festival. And fish. We got fish coming. Fish video. Woo! Oh, here goes the fish. Yes, look at that. Yes. It's gonna be tasty. Take care. Peace.
What's up, my beautiful people? It's Kenny Good Vibes TV, and we're there with another video. Today, I want to cook some fish and festival. So join me in the kitchen. Let me show you how we do it. First, I want to clean off my fish them. Make sure they're clean inside out. Put some small cut on the side. I have seafood magic right here. Put like a half teaspoon of seafood magic. Give them a good season, you know. Yeah, I want to make sure that season get right in there. Yeah. Make sure that season get right inside. Got some all-purpose fish season. Put good amount of season I put on this fish because I want it to taste the right way. You know, it's all about the amount of season you use and how you use the season. Some black pepper. Never leave out my black pepper. I love black pepper. Massage that season on the fish, make sure it's all over. Fish ready. Put that to one side. And this is what I have. I got my flour. Got a quarter cup of cornmeal, quarter cup of sugar. I got some salt. I got some milk powder, some coconut milk powder. This is the milk powder I use. And I got my vegetable, you know, cut up over there. I always have vegetable to go on the side, you know. Yeah. Sweet pepper and onion and carrot. Some baking powder. I'm gonna put half teaspoon of baking powder in the flour. This is 1 cup of flour. So I put half teaspoon of baking powder in there. Put my sugar in there. Put my cornmeal in there. And then I add my salt. Just like 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to mix that up. So I have my coconut milk. I'm gonna use some coconut milk. I'm gonna start my mixing. So I pour my coconut milk in. Make sure your hands are clean. Put in my coconut milk and then start mixing, you know, trying to get it together. Trying to get everything, you know, together, grandma style. Yep. This is how we need flour with your hand, you know. So look, so it's coming together. Yeah, this is how you want it to look. Just keep putting pressure on it, get it together, you know. Use some water if it's too, you don't want it too hard, so make sure you use some water. It's coming together nice and good. Put some oil in my pot. I smell that garlic burning, you know. Time to put in my fish. Yeah. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Put the fish in there. Yep. Put them in, them sit nice and comfortable. Red snapper. Got my vegetable cut up here. I'm gonna make a little side thing, you know, to eat with the fish and things. So here we go. Put that in a pot to itself for it to like steam. I'm gonna steam this down with some coconut juice. So just follow me, you'll see how the process works out. I wanna hit chocha. You know chocha? This is chocha. This is chocha, guys. In the country we call this chocha. Yeah, so you wanna turn the fish, then make sure that they're not sticking to the pot, you know. Clean the surface as they go along. Yeah, so the rest of the milk powder here, I'm gonna make some, mix up this milk powder here to pour into my vegetable. Yeah, it's coming along. Coming along beautiful. Turn on my stove. Alright, time to put in my festival now. Oil hot enough. You know, you can make a festival over you want it. You can make them big, you can make them small. I make them on a medium size. Roll up a festival. I want to turn them, make sure you turn them. Make sure they don't burn. If you have to turn them 3-4 times, you turn them. And turn on your stove low. Not low, but low enough. You know? And everything you do, stir your pot. Always stir. Yeah. Take out these fish, because these fish look ready. Put these one side. So this is what it look like. Food ready, you know. Food ready. Festival, fried fish, and some cut up vegetables on the side. See? Yeah. Festival ready. And fish. Fried fish and festival. I'm gonna share out some. Yes, guys. We have come to the end of another video. I want to say thanks to everyone who supported the channel. You know, all my fans, all my subscribers, viewers.